In my last video, I showed you how DeepSeek AI is outperforming some other powerful apps, AI apps like ChatGPT. I told you the fact that DeepSeek AI has been made to give a localized response to every um, request that is being placed on it. And I want to say that DeepSeek AI has, attracted quite a lot of support from people, and they have been using it to do quite a lot of things. So that's why today's video I'll be creating a short tutorial on how to play with DeepSeek AI, a short tutorial on how to work with DeepSeek AI. So there are two ways of accessing, or three ways. You can access it on your phone via the app. You can access it on your phone browser, and you can access it on your laptop, depending on the operating system you use. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be opening my phone browser. I use Edge here. So, and I'll just go over to a new page, and I'll type the website is deepseek.com. Sorry, deepseek.com. Sorry about that. I think chat.deepseek.com. And this should work. It's asking me to be verified, so I've been verified. So if you are new to this app, you just need to put in your phone number and your if you want to use this app for the first time, click on sign up, then you will put in this. But I have been using it, so I'll just log in. So I'll click on login. I'll log in with Google because I have a Google account already. I'm using with it, and click on that, my Google. So this can work if you have integrated your Google account on your browser, so it will automatically sync it together. So you can see it that it has an app. So it's even telling me to get the app, so you can sign in via this. And as you can see, some of the things that I have done over there. So let me now show you my app. So let me go over and search for my DeepSeek app. You can go over to Google Play Store or iOS Store to download the DeepSeek app, as you can see here. So I'll just click on it, and I'll see have almost the same interface. So it's telling me there are two type of search you can make, or you can make these two search at the same time. You can use the DeepSeek search or the normal web search, the DeepSeek AI search or the normal web search. You can use both together to give you a richer response. So this is the tab. This menu up here, icon up here, will show you what I have done over the time I've been using this powerful app. And this is my account, your profile. By clicking this, my name here, my profile here, you can see my email account and all that. So there's nothing. So you can change the color and do all that. So but all that, let me take it back to system. So all right. So now let's assume you want to I also want to say that DeepSeek AI only works with text-based work. You can't use it to generate images for now. So you just click on your prompt. If you are new to this channel, I have a video. I should drop it in the comments in the description section of this video on how to write better prompts. So there's a playlist for all my AI videos where you can just see how I write better prompts. So I will, and let's assume I want to write an email letter, an email I want to send a customer that bought a product and has a complaint concerning it, and I want to send an apology email, and just to mediate. So I will just come over and type here. customer to laugh. So let's use this deep think and search this both together and see what will happen. So just click on this arrow down here and see if it's going to write something for us. So it's already thinking. I have discovered lately that DeepSeek AI is having issues with their server. I think the traffic is much. So let me just disable the web search feature by clicking the search icon tab. Then I resend my prompt. I reload it by clicking this icon. Yeah, the reload icon here. So I think this should work now. This should work for me now. So I have disabled the deep think as well. Let me see if it's going to bring out something for me. I don't know, the server is just down and we have been having these issues for days now. Let's see if it's going to work this time around. So I'm copying and repasting my prompt here and researching it again. Let's see if it's going to work this time around. Many attempts we have DeepSeek has written a very humane and powerful apology email letter to the customer, the dissatisfied customer. So all you need to do is just for you to copy this and paste it to your word processor or your email sender, then edit accordingly. So you can see how powerful DeepSeek is. Look at it. It was giving us what transpired before the response. So it's a very powerful app that I feel it's giving ChatGPT and some other AI model run for their money. So you just try it out. You can use your DeepSeek AI to do quite a lot of things. See, I've written quite a lot of. I've noticed I can even say lately is the fact that it doesn't. It's always having this issue, this server busy issue, and I just hope that the makers or those in charge of this great app will work on this, so that they will be able to gain trust of people using this. But that's just how DeepSeek AI works. It works just like ChatGPT, but it's more powerful and can give you also a localized content just the way you want it. So if you have any question, please feel free to share with me in the comment section. Let me know the challenge you are facing with DeepSeek AI. Let me know whether you find DeepSeek AI resourceful more than ChatGPT. Let me know if you are team ChatGPT or you are team DeepSeek AI. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much, and this is ValueTout TV. Till I come your way next time, remain positive. Bye for now.